Hi, in this video let me show you how to fix in case your JVC Roku TV is slow, it lags, and it's quite frustrating. First thing you need to do is to turn it off. Wait until the screen is black and you're gonna go ahead and unplug the TV from the power source. While this is unplugged, you're gonna find the power button. Sometimes the power button is located under the TV, okay? Sometimes, like on this model, the power button is located on the back. So find it, and what you need to do is to press on this power button during 30 seconds. Just stay like this with the button press, and after 30 seconds you can release. Now wait around 5 minutes with the TV unplugged. After 5 minutes, go ahead and connect it back. Power on the TV using the power button, not the remote control. Wait until it boots up, and most of the time this will solve any lag. If you're still experiencing slow to respond, maybe again some lag, I'll show you another trick. Go into the settings, so press the home button, and over here on the left side go down and select settings. Go down again and select system. Here you're going to go down and select advanced system settings. And I suggest you do a network connection reset. Press this, press reset connection. You will have to reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi network after doing this. And fortunately, this will solve your issue. Maybe the problem is not the TV, but the actual Wi-Fi connection. Another thing you can do in the same menu over here is to do a factory reset. This will delete absolutely everything and the TV will be like a brand new one. And usually when it's a brand new one, it doesn't lag. So if you select factory reset, then factory reset everything. Type the number that you see here on your TV, you're gonna get a different number. Simply type it on the keypad and press OK. It takes a few seconds to a minute, and afterwards the TV will be fully resetted. Hopefully everything will work afterwards. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.